Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down your niche and brand identity because focus speeds growth. Once chosen, set your channel name to match your niche and upload a clear logo and banner so viewers trust you immediately. Make sure to verify your phone and enable two-factor authentication. This protects monetization eligibility. Fill the About section with keyword-rich description and add social links. These first steps establish discoverability and security, which you'll build on with content and analytics next. Once your channel exists, you create a repeatable content system that drives watch time and subscribers. You should batch produce videos, aiming for a consistent schedule and formats that maximize retention. Longer videos work if they stay engaging. Use keyword research to write titles, descriptions, and tags that attract search traffic, and design thumbnails that stand out. Make sure each video opens with a strong hook, adds value throughout, and ends with a clear call to action. Then review analytics and iterate. You reach the final stage by meeting eligibility and applying carefully to monetize. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours, apply to the YouTube Partner Program and link an AdSense account. Choose ad types and enable memberships if eligible. If you get declined, read the policy notes, correct content ownership or guideline issues, and refocus on original, advertiser-friendly uploads. As a troubleshooting tip, if watch time stalls, audit thumbnails, intros, and content pacing. Small fixes often unlock growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.